please go ahead.
Thank you, Rabbi. It's an hypothetical situation.
Mm-hmm.
If we have, for example, a Tupperware in the same size of the sink.
One second, step back. You have what? The same size of the sink? What?
Tupperware.
What?
Tupperware, a plastic, big plastic container.
Okay. So it's like to put in on the bottom of the sink?
Exactly.
Okay.
And we make a hole in it.
Okay.
And instead of use the sink directly, we wash the dishes in the Tupperware, in the plastic.
Okay.
One for meal and another one for milk. For meat and another one for milk. Would be that possible? Would be that a kosher situation? Would be that possible?
Okay, that's what people do, but let's leave this question aside. I'm not sure how exactly it works, because in my mind, so it's not possible not to splatter to all of the walls. So unless these people, people that I knew, that they would never put anything on the bottom of the sink. Well, whatever they wash, they would like hold in their hands and wash. So which is very inconvenient. But the question is asked, so I'm not 100% sure that's why I hesitant to answer. So, but let's for everybody, let's understand the situation. So there is a special like piece of plastic, and they sell it not to not to damage the dishes. Some people have these delicate dishes, so if you put it on a metal surface, right, in a sink, it can like chip or something. So when you put like this rubber thing or the plastic, so it protects the dishes. So the question is if we can use these things to wash milk with the milk plastic, right? To put milk in this insert, and then change it and to put meat plastic. So I'm not sure. Let's leave it aside, but we're going to get an answer. BeEzrat HaShem. It's very interesting thing. Yes. It's not simple. It's not simple. Okay.